In this tutorial, I will show you how you can log into YouTube using Gmail by following simple steps. First of all, open YouTube application. Now click on account icon on top right corner of the YouTube. Now click on sign in option. Now click on add account option. Now, if you have already created Gmail account, select existing option. If have no account, then you have to create before log into Gmail application. I already have Gmail account, so I will select first existing option. Enter your Gmail address and password in the given area and click on next icon. Select OK option. Now, if you have activated two-step verification, this option will be shown. Select next option. Enter 6-digit verification code sent by Google on registered mobile number attached with that account, and select next option. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming updates. Select next option. Your Gmail account is now added. Now after signing in, you are free to comment, like, share and subscribe any channel. That's all about it, how you can sign in YouTube using your Gmail account.